The universe is a house of horrors where the laws of physics tear reality apart. The freezing vacuum is nothing compared to worlds the human mind can barely comprehend. Planets where burning iron rains from the darkness, and hells where hurricanes drive millions of glass shards. At the very end, an invisible monster drags our entire galaxy at blistering speeds toward destruction. This is the countdown of the 10 most terrifying places in the universe, where human life means absolutely nothing. 10th place, Kepler 70b. Our brutal journey begins at a place of literal resurrection. Kepler 70b used to be a gas giant similar to Jupiter. However, its parent star exploded, and the planet spent millions of years trapped directly inside this dying hell. This scorching ordeal completely stripped it down to its rocky core. Today, it is a burnt, half-molten world where surface temperatures reach a staggering 6,800 degrees Celsius. That is hotter than the surface of our own sun. Imagine a planet that survived its own apocalypse just to become the hottest nightmare in the galaxy. If you landed here, your spaceship would vaporize into pure gas within a microsecond. Welcome to the Cosmic Forge. 9th place, WASP-12b. In 9th place is WASP-12b, a planet condemned to a brutal cosmic execution. This unfortunate gas giant orbits so dangerously close to its host star that a single year lasts just 24 hours. The star's murderous gravity is so powerful that it literally deforms the planet into a bizarre egg shape, ripping its atmosphere away alive. Every single second, the star sucks millions of tons of material from its helpless victim. Before the eyes of astronomers, a slow destruction unfolds in real time. A massive glowing stream of gas stretches from the deformed planet directly into the maw of the giant star. WASP-12b is literally vanishing into dust, and its ultimate doom is absolutely inevitable. Welcome to cosmic cannibalism. In 8th place is the Boots Void, a terrifying wasteland where light ceases to exist. Imagine a gigantic region of space measuring an incredible 330 million light-years in diameter. In a space this vast, thousands of glowing galaxies should normally exist. Yet in this dark expanse, there are barely a few dozen. If you were stranded directly in the middle of this place, you would be surrounded by perfect, absolute darkness. There would be no stars in the sky. If our Milky Way were located in the heart of this void, humanity would have firmly believed until the 1960s that our solar system was completely alone in the universe. In 7th place is Tress 2b, a world blacker than coal. Imagine a giant gas planet the size of Jupiter, completely shrouded in absolute, impenetrable darkness. This bizarre world reflects almost no light. It absorbs an incredible 99% of all starlight that strikes its surface from its parent star. It is literally darker than coal or acrylic paint. If you were to cruise past it, you would see only a terrifying black phantom. The only clue to its existence is a faint, deep red glow that the planet emits. This scorching world literally burns like hot embers in a fireplace, as its atmospheric temperature reaches an extreme 1,000 degrees Celsius. In 6th place is the PSR B1257 plus 12 system, home to real zombie planets. Imagine worlds orbiting a pulsar, which is the rotating dead core of a massive star that exploded as a supernova. This extreme cosmic catastrophe should have instantly vaporized the original planets. Yet the worlds we see here today literally rose from the dead, forming from the ashes and debris of that destructive blast. Instead of warm, gentle sunlight, these zombie planets are continuously blasted by a deadly stream of intense X-ray radiation and high-energy particles. This hostile electromagnetic beating from the spinning stellar beacon makes them some of the most toxic and terrifying locations in the known universe.
In fifth place is a cosmic graveyard, a galaxy that died shockingly soon after the Big Bang. In the early universe, when most galaxies were experiencing a massive boom of star birth, this mysterious system suddenly and completely went quiet. Scientists discovered that within just a few 100 million years, it consumed its entire gas supply with such extreme fury that nothing was left for future generations. This cosmic glutton literally committed evolutionary suicide. Today, we observe only a ghostly, cold torso in deep space, made up of aging red stars. It is a dark memento and an absolute anomaly from the dawn of time itself, completely defying all our current models of galactic evolution. In fourth place is WASP-76b, a hellish world where it rains liquid iron. This extreme exoplanet is so close to its parent star that daytime temperatures exceed 2,000 degrees Celsius, easily vaporizing metals. High-velocity winds then carry this iron vapor over to the planet's cooler night side. Here, the temperature drops sharply, causing the gas to condense into heavy clouds and release drops of molten metal from the sky. Imagine an endless, scorching storm battering the dark landscape with a burning metallic deluge. WASP-76b is a perfect example of how bizarre and hostile cosmic nature can be when pushed to the absolute edge of physical possibilities.
In third place is exoplanet HD 189733b, a deceptively beautiful world that looks like a serene blue marble. Do not be fooled by its peaceful Earth-like appearance, though. This gas giant is a literal cosmic chamber of horrors. Its deep cobalt color is not caused by oceans, but by an atmosphere choked with silicate particles, which are essentially microscopic grains of glass. Combined with extreme howling winds that reach brutal speeds of up to 8,500 kilometers per hour, deadly storms rage across the planet. The weather here means only one thing: a relentless, sideways rain of razor-sharp molten glass that literally shreds to pieces anything in its path.
In second place are the invisible killers, rogue black holes. Born from the wreckage of massive supernovas, these gravitational phantoms were violently hurled out of their home galaxies. Today, they hurtle through interstellar space completely isolated and unpredictable. Because they swallow no matter, they emit no light or radiation. They are completely invisible until their immense gravitational pull warps the light of distant stars behind them. They cruise the cosmos like perfectly camouflaged predators. If such a rogue black hole were to approach our solar system, it would silently and without warning tear the planetary orbits apart, plunging the entire Earth into absolute destruction. First place belongs to the Great Attractor, a gravitational monster hidden at the end of our observable universe. Nestled in the heart of the Laniakea supercluster, this gigantic anomaly possesses such unimaginable power that it drags hundreds of thousands of galaxies, including our own Milky Way, toward itself. Entire galaxy clusters hurtle through space at insane speeds of millions of kilometers per hour toward this single point. Because the dense dust of our own galaxy blocks our view, we cannot directly see the monster. The Great Attractor thus remains an invisible but completely dominant force, relentlessly rewriting the cosmic map and pulling us toward an unknown, inevitable destiny.
The universe is packed with extremes that easily shatter our imagination. From planets plagued by liquid glass or iron rain, to invisible rogue black holes and the mysterious Great Attractor, which relentlessly drags our entire galaxy forward. Every new discovery reminds us just how small and vulnerable we are in this endless ocean of darkness. Cosmic nature dictates its own brutal rules at the absolute edge of physical possibilities, and we are only beginning to uncover them. Which of these terrifying places haunts you the most?